In the other video, I showed you the correct method of operating the pressure relief valve operating lever, which should be done very gently. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the temperature and also the location of the reset button. Now, first of all, you make sure the main circuit breaker is off, and so once you remove the power from the unit, you can now approach the cover here, which is held on at the bottom by two screws. Now I've already, to speed things up, I've removed one screw from there and there, so I'll just remove the cover. There we go. So that's the cover removed. Now we can have a look at this. We're not interested in any of the wiring at the bottom. We're only interested in that black unit at the top there. It's a Robert Shaw thermostat. No connection with the late Robert Shaw, the movie actor, who starred in the original Jaws movie. This is Robert Shaw, the electrical manufacturer. So it's a Robert Shaw thermostat. And you can see there that little round red thing. It's a plastic, a circular plastic wheel. That is where you adjust the temperature. And then above that is where the reset button is. There is the reset button, just there. You might be able to see it. It says reset. Where the screwdriver is there, it says reset. And at the moment, the button is where it should be. It's in. So, now the important thing to know is never adjust. To adjust the temperature, you just put a screwdriver in the slot there and turn it. I've got mine set to 60 degrees. I don't like it too hot. It's got degrees around the plastic there, so it's easy to see. A bit small for the camera though. Now the other thing is the reset button. If ever you turn the main breaker on, if you had it switched off and you turn the breaker on, which I do, I switch mine on and off. I just don't leave it on all day. I only switch it on an hour before I want to have a shower or use the washing machine or whatever. That way I save power. So if you switch the breaker on and after an hour the water is still cold, what you'll need to do is check the reset button. It could have popped out. Sometimes it just pops out. There it is, right there. Sometimes it just pops out due to thermal conditions, you know. Something might get overheated, might get too hot, and it'll pop out. So you get something small like this screwdriver here with a bit of a point on it, and you'll see it popped out. You just push it back in with the, but I've got to emphasize you do all that with the main breaker off. So once you push the reset button in, then you can go and turn the main breaker on and come back and look and make sure the reset button hasn't popped out again. If it has popped out, that's when you call your service person. But usually when you push the reset button back in, it usually stays there. So that's it. It's as simple as that. And then when you finish that, you can, once it's operating at the temperature you want, then you put the cover back on, and that's it. So that's the Robert Shaw thermostat unit, and that's a 2012 model, so it's the latest thing.